2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, Obophiles! Today we're going to be learning the tune Oboe and the Saints in celebration of Mardi Gras coming up, and also this tune is an important place in Black history with the development of jazz and like that Dixie sound that was born in New Orleans and spread to be one of the world's most popular music mediums. This tune's pretty simple. It's got this nice little sequence sentence structure, and I hope you can follow along slowly. We're going to play it in G. Hope you enjoy playing the tune, and as always, play beautifully.